everyone, back again with 5 basic trial techniques that anybody can do. Trials is pretty hard, but with a lot of dedication and practice, something anybody can get. Here's 5 tips to get you started.
So, starting off with number 1, we have the track stand. With the track stand, it's all about body position and pedal pressure. I'm right foot forward, so I like to turn to the left, slowly rocking forwards and backwards to keep my front wheel under the point of my balance.
Okay, coming in at number 2, we have the front pivot.
To get started on this one, you want to roll in at a comfortable speed, slightly turn the opposite way you want to go, then carve back into it. Keep your head following the turn, pull your front brakes to make your front wheel come to a stop. Because of the carve, your wheel will naturally come round. At this point, use your hips to bring it round the rest of the wheel.
Okay, coming in at number 3, we have the rear pivot.
For this, you need to come to a stop, lock in your rear brake, lean back, slightly lift the front wheel to reposition it under your point of balance. Just like our front pivot, the rear pivot is an excellent way of repositioning the bike. Okay, so at number 4, we have side hops. Once again, side hops can be used to keep balance, but are mainly used for getting up or over obstacles. Okay, and finally coming in at number 5, we have rocking. Once you've learnt the front and rear pivot, rocking is the next step.
Alright everyone, so that was my 5 basic trial techniques. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a like and subscribe, leave some comments, and I'll see you in the next one.